Hi Musically, I'm Jessica Harlow. Saturday night, you want to go out, you want to look great. I'm going to show you how to get the celebrity ombre eye look so you can show up in style wherever you're going. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by placing a color that's really similar to my skin tone, but just a bit lighter and brighter underneath the brow bone, just to create kind of a highlight. So then I'm going to do pretty much the same thing towards the inner corner, but this time I'm going to go for more of like an ivory type of shade. And then I'm going to go in with kind of like an orangey shade, just placing it first. I'll go ahead and blend it out and soften it. So then I'm going to take a metallic bronzy shade and I'm going to apply that to the very center of the lid. So this is how you're creating that ombre effect. We're going from lighter to medium to darker. And then I'm going to take a little bit of a darker brown just to really deepen things up. I'm going to apply that right to the outer corner. Then I'm going to look up and I'm going to apply that same kind of darker brown shade right along my lower lash line. I'm going to go back right in towards the inner corner with a lighter shade, because sometimes you can lose stuff, you lose colors when you're blending. So now I'm just looking down into a mirror and blending out any edges, making sure you can't really tell where one color is beginning and the other color is ending. So then I'm going to take a glitter eyeliner and I'm going to create kind of like a cut crease effect just right here. It's just going to add something really interesting and fun. Sort of looking forward first, just kind of mark off where I want it. So when you're working with a glitter liner, to get the intensity that you want, don't worry about what it looks like with the first swipe. You want to let it dry in between and then add layers. And as you build, you're going to get much more intensity as you go. I feel like an angel. Then I'm even gonna take a little bit of the glitter liner and just put like a very small amount right at the outer corner almost of my lash line. Okay, so then to tie things up a little bit, I'm gonna do a little extra contouring and highlighting. Right at the high points of the cheeks there. Thanks for watching. Be sure to use the hashtag Ombre so that we can see your looks.